What's up everybody, I'm in Fruita, Colorado, and I'm on a solo mission. I'm gonna go check out a trail called Zippity Do Dah. Before I drop in though, I wanna show you my new bike because I'm pretty stoked on this thing. I've ridden it in a couple videos so far this year, but I haven't done a proper bike check. So let me just give you a quick look at what I'm riding out here today. I always think it's pretty sweet to put a couple miles on a bike before you try to tell somebody how great it is. So that's exactly why there's some dirt and some dings on this thing. So let's take a look at it. This is my Reeb Dikyelous Chrome Ollie hardtail. I'm gonna put a link to the measurements for all the different sizes in the description below, but I'm riding a size extra large. The thing that I like about this bike, it's got a nice long cockpit, super short chainstays. They're adjustable, so you can make them super short or medium length. They're gonna be short regardless. Full chrome Ollie. The fork is 140 millimeter diamond, and I run it pretty stiff. As far as wheels, I'm running Enduro 305s from Industry 9 with the Hydra hubs. For the drivetrain, I'm running a stock XT drivetrain with an 1142 in the back and a 32 up front. XT trail pedals. Same thing with the brake, Shimano XT brakes, Shimano XT shifter. Right now I only have the 2-piston brake on here. I'll be switching that to 4-piston. As far as tires, I'm running Vittoria Martellos, and in the back I have a Enduro casing which is slightly heavier, and in the front just a regular trail casing. As far as the cockpit, Shimano Pro Tharsis handlebars, full width. They're carbon, soak up some nice vibration, and then the stem is a 65 Tharsis trail stem. And then moving back to the saddle, that's the new Ergon SM Pro men's saddle. Super comfortable, and that's matched to the Ergon GE1 grips. And then for the dropper post, I am running a PNW 170 millimeter travel with a PNW lever up front. Final touches, Cliff Bar water bottle. They've been my longest sponsor, so you got to have the Cliff Bar water bottles on there, and a Pro carbon bottle cage. At the top is Zippity Do Dah, according to Trail Forks. 2.2 miles, descends about 600 feet, climbs about 200. I've never ridden this trail. Everybody says this is an awesome one. Let's check it out. like one final scooter into the end. How's it going? All right, let's drop back in for some more of the fun stuff. All right, that was really awesome. That was a super fun trail. Really glad I could take all of you along with me for that. See you on the trail.